What's up guys, my name is Greg, and do you want to build a coffee table like this using limited tools, not welding any steel, not cutting any steel, and not cutting any wood? I'm going to show you how. Let's go. So I guess you're wondering, how did I build this coffee table? Not cutting any steel, not cutting any wood, and not doing any welding work. Let me show you. Before we start building our coffee table, there's a few things we need to discuss. And as you've seen in my previous videos, you would know that I've got absolutely no experience in steelwork or welding. With a little bit of measurements and calculations, you can go to your local steel, wood, or hardware shop, give them your cutting list, and they will cut all your pieces of steel and wood to size. And as you can see in front of me, I've got all my steel and wood panels cut to size. Now for the part I'm most excited about, not welding. Guys, I'm introducing to you a proudly South African product, Connected. I'm going to use this product to connect all my pieces of steel together. By using this product, I'm going to save a lot of time, a lot of hassle, and a lot of money. And this is going to give you great value, especially in production. Now we're moving on to the frame for my coffee table. And I specifically want the industrial steel look to my frame. By doing this I'm going to apply a sanding disc to my baby grinder, and I'm going to sand all my pieces of steel. If you haven't got a baby grinder, this step is absolutely not necessary. You can just leave your steel as is, clean it, and apply a steel sealer. Or you can just paint your steel any color you want. Without any further delay, I'm going to grind my steel legs. Let's go. All my pieces of steel has been grinded down. Now I'm going to show you in real time how fast it is connecting two pieces of steel together using your connected blocks. Let's go. What was that? 15 seconds? It took me a total of 8.5 minutes to complete my coffee table frame. It would have taken me 6 minutes, but my hammer broke. Now I'm going to clean my steel, and then I'm going to apply 2 coats of steel sealer to my frame. Now we're moving on to the next step, fastening our wood to our steel. And I'm specifically going to use a 20mm thick black wood, and I'm specifically going to install a 25 by 25 steel angle iron to the inside of my frame. The thickness of my board is going to determine where I'm going to be fastening my angle iron, so my wood can sit flush with my steel. Let's go. My wood is fitting in perfectly in my frame. Now I'm going to fasten my wood from the underside. Let's go. My wood has been fastened, now we're just going to give it a quick sand and then we're moving to the final step. Let's go. Now we're just going to apply 2 coats of clear matte varnish. Let's go. I just want to thank today's sponsor, Connected, for making this project possible. I honestly had a lot of fun building this table and I'm definitely going to use this product in the future for all my steel work. You can find these little connecting blocks in all different shapes and sizes. And I am going to leave a link down in the description where you can find this product and build your own. This is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any future projects or videos I'm posting. Cheers for now. Whoopsie. Oh my f***ing soul. Look at my ear.